People coughing and sneezing is infuriating and a sign of weakness. My girlfriend somehow manages to sneeze like an 18-wheeler honking on the freeway, but only in public do I call her out on her roaring snout or keep her indoors and alone at all times. Threatening way to end that. Yeah, people coughing and sneezing is infuriating and a sign of weakness and makes me hate everybody whenever they cough or sneeze. So I'm with you on that, but that's a me thing. That's not a them thing. Everybody does it, I do it, but I empathize. Don't keep her indoors and alone at all times. That's super illegal.